Let's have some more practice in determining if a function is even or odd. Now remember, if it's even, when we put a negative x in, will the right side remain the same? Or if we put a negative x into the function, and then every term changes signs, then it is odd. Then if neither of those happens, well, then it's neither even nor odd. So let's look at our first function, f of x. Rule says go ahead and evaluate it at negative x. Work that down. And I compare it with the original, x cubed minus 6x. Well, I noticed that every term changed signs. So in that particular case, it fits with this odd type of an idea. So this function is odd. Let's look at g of x. Likewise, evaluate it at negative x. That becomes x to the fourth minus 2 x squared. Notice that it matches with the original. So in that particular case, we have a function that is even. H of x, same idea. Let's go ahead and evaluate it at negative x. It's important to keep that negative x in parentheses so I know it's the entire value that's being squared. Simplify that down. Look at its result and compare it with what I started with. Is the right side the same? No, it's not. So this one is neither even nor odd. So that's a little bit of how we can test if a function is even or odd or neither, and then we can use that tool to help us as we're learning to graph some of these functions down the road.